Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Oh wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. In a highly anticipated announcement, the core team has confirmed that the Open Network will officially launch on February 20th, 2025. This milestone marks a crucial phase in PiNetwork's evolution, as the project moves closer to full-scale integration within the broader cryptocurrency landscape. In a development that has sent waves through the Pi community, it has also been revealed that PiNetwork will be listed on two of the world's largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and OKX. The announcement has generated significant excitement among millions of KYC-verified pioneers who have been actively engaged in the PiNetwork ecosystem for years. Listing on Binance and OKX, both of which rank among the top global exchanges in terms of trading volume and user base, is expected to provide Pi with enhanced liquidity and increased adoption. It is a move that many within the crypto industry view as a major step toward PiNetwork's long-awaited transition into a fully tradable and widely utilized digital asset. PiNetwork has been in development for over 6 years, during which it has built a dedicated user base and a unique ecosystem centered around mobile mining and decentralization. Unlike many other cryptocurrency projects that rely on traditional proof-of-work mechanisms, PiNetwork has sought to make digital currency more accessible by enabling users to mine Pi directly from their smartphone. The transition to Open Network signifies a shift from a more restricted, enclosed environment to one where Pi will be interoperable with external systems and financial platforms. This shift is widely regarded as a defining moment, as it will determine how PiNetwork integrates with the broader digital economy. For those who wish to trade or utilize Pi on Binance and OKX, setting up an account in advance is recommended. As two of the most trusted and widely used cryptocurrency exchanges, both platforms offer advanced trading tools, high liquidity, and strong security measures. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, is known for its extensive range of crypto assets and global reach, while OKX has positioned itself as a leader in blockchain technology and innovative trading solutions. With Pi soon to be listed on these exchanges, many are now speculating about the potential price and market demand for the token. While PiNetwork has historically operated within its own enclosed ecosystem, its entry into the open market could lead to increased adoption, new use cases, and broader institutional interest. PiNetwork's Open Network launch and subsequent exchange listings represent a pivotal step forward for the project. However, questions remain about how Pi will be valued, how its supply and demand dynamics will evolve, and what regulatory considerations may arise as it enters mainstream crypto markets. As February 20th approaches, PiNetwork users and cryptocurrency enthusiasts alike will be watching closely to see how this transition unfolds. The next few weeks are expected to bring further updates, and pioneers are encouraged to stay informed by checking official announcements through the Pi mining app and PiNetwork's official channels. With its impending listing on Binance and OKX, PiNetwork is poised to take a major leap toward global adoption and mainstream recognition. Whether it can establish itself as a key player in the digital currency space remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: this is a defining moment in the project's history.